Hey, it's Dave from Systemology, and I wanted to share with you something extraordinary. I want to show you how we're using AI agents that we've trained inside our organization to complete complex workflows that previously have taken 6 to 7 hours to complete. We can complete it within an hour. In fact, the bulk of the work is done at the speed of AI, which means it's done in under a minute. It really is extraordinary. And the reason I want to show you this is to show you how our processes are evolving, how we're leveraging AI, so you can see what's possible and start to think about how it's going to work inside your organization. So, for those of you who know a little bit about our work, we have a lot of content that we put out. That's one of the primary ways that we market our business. And I happen to use a method called the content machine. I actually wrote a book about it, Authority Content, where I actually go through and explain this. But it is detailed in one of our recent videos called Best ChatGPT Content Marketing Examples. Now, in this video, I showed you kind of like version 2. Now, I've progressed past that, but in this video, I show, hey, I'm using a range of prompts that I'm feeding into ChatGPT to then get the output that I need for writing titles and descriptions and the social media content that gets shared and the drafting up of the email content, a tremendous amount of writing that previously we would do by hand. I'm now getting ChatGPT. But now using AI agents, I can take it to that next level. That's really what I want to show you now. So the way that AI is evolving, imagine these little AI agents as team members inside your organization that you can train on your data, your brand voice. You can give it SOPs and position descriptions. So it's almost like a mini team member, a junior assistant. Now I'm going to show you the marketing assistant that I've put together here. I've given it a description. I'm actually running this one off ChatGPT as the model, but I can tap into some other models as well. I've given it some instructions. I've shared our brand voice. And most importantly, I've actually shared a range of info from our knowledge base to help train this AI around what great looks like, what I expect, example SOPs, marketing material from our website. In fact, I've got it to completely crawl our website. All of this is used to train that AI. Then I can use that AI to complete a complex series of tasks. I've got a range of different ones we use in our business, but I'm going to show you this content machine workflow. We've basically taken a lot of what we were previously doing, and sure, ChatGPT sped it up, but now we can automate this and create a workflow. Now, the workflow just requires a few inputs. Because we're talking about content, I want to take the transcription from that content. I'm going to load that in here, and then I'm going to create a title for this video. I'm just so it knows ballpark what we're talking about. I'm going to go building a business to sell. And then the keyword I'm going to do is built to sell. I'm going to run this workflow. And as I said, I've attached the marketing assistant already to this workflow. It's going through and completing these tasks in the background for me. And you'll see if I pop this open, it shows you, great. Well, one of the first tasks was to go do the keyword research and come back with primary and secondary keywords. There are a whole range of things. This is what an assistant used to do. Now, it's already completed. It's ticked all of that, and I'm going to pop this open, and you can see how we've gone from a transcript of a video that I've recorded to know the primary, secondary keywords. We've got titles for the video, and I've given different styles. I want a Mr. Beast style and a direct style and a questioning style. Is your business built to sell? Find out how to maximize its value. What a fantastic YouTube title. Keep scrolling down here. Then it's gone ahead and inserted those keywords into the description. It's written the description and done all of the time coding for the video as well. Then it's drafted in a LinkedIn post for me. Because I've linked together information from my knowledge base, it's also cited where it's pulled external information outside of the transcript that I've already given it from my material. It's written out social media posts. We can see some tweets here, and we also have a community blog that we post on, and it's taken that content. So you can see here, this is incredibly well written. It's trained on my material, following the way that I like things done under my instruction. And imagine this as a draft number 1 that then goes to our copywriter for the final once over before it's pushed out. As I said, when you grasp this, this is extraordinary, the output here. And all of that time saved from this work drops straight to the bottom line in my business. You need to be leveraging AI agents and building out workflows in your organization. I've just given you a little bit of a snippet of what I'm going to be covering in our upcoming AI First Masterclass. You can learn more about it, and I'll pop a link through to the video. It's just systemology.com/AI-first-masterclass. And you can learn about the different strategies that we're using, how we're using AI to get things done faster, cheaper, and better. We are living in extraordinary times, and I'm hoping you can join me for the masterclass.